We just moved to our new place. So today I'm at Home Depot to make free copy of our new home key. Let's see how they do it. Let's start. Yeah.
Do you want me to explain what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll
so
be
you put
better.
the key in the A slot and it scans it automatically, and it'll tell you what type of key that you use. Usually the standard
Yeah,
ones are in the drawer.
68,
Yeah,
right?
number 68, and you wanted 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
And you scan the barcode,
Okay.
and you put the new key into the B slot, and you cut it. I can give that back to you.
Oh, but you can do it 3 times,
Yeah,
like.
you can do it 3 times, yeah, because it scanned it and it has it saved. It's just gonna make a loud noise.
What's the like average time to make a like cut the key?
It's about the same each time, like not even that long.
Oh, it's done, kind of.
Yeah.
Like less than 30 seconds, kind of. Yeah. That's cool.
Take the key out,
Mm-hmm.
cut another, scan it,
Scan it.
and while that's going, I sand down the keys once they're cut.
So I can pay here?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh.
Oh. Let's check if it is going to work or not. Door is locked. Let's try it. This way. Yep. Awesome. It's working. That means other 2 will work as well.